On behalf of Footprints Mother's Circle, I, Vasundhara, wishes one and all a very happy Father's Day. I would like to share with you a letter in the form of a poem from a father to his son. If by Rudyard Kipling. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken and stoop and build them up with worn out tools, if you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss and lose and start again at your beginnings and never breathe a word about your loss, if you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of a distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you'll be a man, my son. This is a very special note to all the children of such loving, caring, devoted, helping, believing parents. The fathers are always there to hear you out, to help you out, to trust in you, to guide you. And fathers are the real protectors, believers, and helpers in your individual lives. They will give you the grit, the integrity, the strength to stand up. And they will also give you the compassion, empathy to stand by whenever you are in doubt, trouble. Turn up to them. Give your life, treat it specially, because you have a buddy. In crime, you have a back supporter. You have that string to hold on to a flight whenever your kite or your flight is in doubt. So, talk with the visionary, be with the visionary, look out the same doubt together. There is always light at the end of the tunnel. Your life is precious. Your parents know that very much. Always turn up to your fathers for strength, for help, or just a talk by the walk. I wish you back again. Happy Father's Day.
Okay, so this is going to be very difficult as most of the men cannot express their feelings in words. But still, so gradually growing from a boy to a teenager to a husband and suddenly a father, now it seems that this is the time you have a huge responsibility. But trust me, as time passes, it is more like this is one responsibility you would love to carry the whole life. Any man can be a father, but it takes someone special to be a dad. And in my case, I am gifted to have both of you in my life. I I love the way you both hug me. I love the way you laugh, the way you cry, the way you demand things from me, the way you both try and follow my hobbies and interests. I I love the way you both are. Mistake happens, but accept them as you will learn a lot from them. So, the only thing I would love to tell you both is that no one is perfect, not even me, so just be yourself. Yes, I was, I am, and I will always be a proud father and a friend. Love you.